Okay guys, so this is an unboxing video for the Panasonic HC-V700M. The difference between the 700 and 700M is that the 700M has 16 gigabytes of built-in memory. Alright, let's get started. Okay, get off this tape. Okay, let's get this off. Okay, now we've opened the box. Okay, there's a whole bunch of packing material inside. My order form. So I got this camera from B&H Photo Video because at the time it seemed that Amazon.com had a shortage. But no complaints. I've heard really good things about B&H Photo. Okay, so this is the camera. Panasonic HC-V700M high definition video camera. Just more stuff about the model number, specs, and other information. Yeah, just your standard box. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, here we go. This is, let's see, what is this? Okay, this is this manual. I'll probably read that if I run into any problems. And then the CD-ROM disc is probably editing stuff, or some program probably help you to get your video into your computer. This is, looks like it's the charger. Yep. Anything else in here? Okay, so there we go. Alright, so this is the camera itself, the star of the show. Let's see. Alright. And nice and compact, not big at all. And one thing I'll be curious to check out is that it comes with a video light. We'll see how good that is. And there's also a flash for if you want to take still photos with this camera as well. I hear it's okay, but I mean, I mainly got this for the video, not for the still photography. Alright. Record button. What is this? Okay, that's probably the port to charge the camera. Put that back. That's where the battery goes. Yeah, toggle switch for zoom in, zoom out. Oh, photography switch button. Okay, so now let's open up the screen. Yep, standard. So HDMI port, AV multi, mic jack. This, for me, this was the key feature. I wanted a microphone that I could plug a mic. I wanted a microphone jack so I could plug in a microphone. So on off switch, 1080 at 60p. That's what you want. Make sure you always get something that's 1080p, not just 1080i interlaced. Interlaced isn't as good. And 60p, that'll be really smooth. It's really smooth quality of movement in your videos. And that's the USB port. Okay, intelligent assist or switch to manual control. And this is optical image stabilization. I've heard the image stabilization is really good on this camera. If you do a Google search, you'll find other YouTube videos of using this camera. That the steady shot is amazing, especially when you zoom in from far away. It's just amazing how well he stays stable. Alright, let me see what else is in the box. Let's see. Oh, a whole crap load of cables. So this is the USB cable. Okay, this is part of the wall adapter cable to charge. So this is a nifty little accessory. It's a shoe mount. So you can slide this through here, and then you can mount a flash, a light, or microphones or audio recorder on top of this. So you don't have to buy a separate bracket to hold those things, which is really nice plus. Good on you, Panasonic. So this is TV cables, I'm pretty sure, and it's the battery. Yeah, the one thing about the battery is that I've heard it only lasts for about 45 minutes, so you'll definitely want to get spare batteries. Luckily, there's a company called Wasabi Power that they specialize in making like clone batteries that are much cheaper than the originals. And on Amazon, I saw a Wasabi battery kit for this camera, where it includes 2 high-capacity batteries that each last about 2 hours, plus a wall charger. Because right now, with this camera, you have to charge the battery in the camera, which sucks, because it means you can't use the camera while you're charging. So yeah, the Wasabi Power Kit includes 2 higher capacity batteries than this one, a wall charger, and also an adapter to plug into your car if you want to charge the battery in your car. So I'm definitely probably going to pick up the Wasabi Power Kit later on. Okay, so that looks like to be it for this unboxing. It'll take about 2 hours, it says, to charge from what I've read in other customer reviews. But it should be cool, and I'm excited to try it out. Alright, so guys, that's it for this unboxing. This is the Panasonic HC-V700M. Thanks for watching.